How to add highlights on Instagram without posting on story. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily add highlights on Instagram without posting on a story. So first thing, simply head over to your profile section, and once you click on your profile section, at the bottom right corner simply click on hamburger icon at the top right corner, and from over here just head over to scroll down until you see the option called who can see your content section, and from here just click on hide story and live option, and make sure you have hidden your story from every single person over here. And once you do that, just click on done. As you can see, I've already hidden my story from all of my followers. So once you click on done, just scroll back, head back, and just click on the plus icon over here. So once you click on plus icon, just upload your story just like this by simply clicking on your share button over here. And once you share your story, let it upload completely until you get the highlight option. So there you get the highlight option. Just click on it and just give it any name just like this, and click on add to successfully add the story to your highlight. Now since the story is not live, no one can view my story right now. So but later on, don't forget to undo the hidden account which you just used to hide. So simply head back to the hide story and live option just like previously as I explained, and from over here just unselect all the accounts just like this, and then you should be good to go with your highlights. So that is exactly how you can easily add highlights on Instagram without posting on a story. So that is it for today guys. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.